Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are watching this out there on the World Wide Web. This is Jeremy Geelan for SYS-CON TV. We are here at 9th Cloud Expo, Silicon Valley. I have Peter Chapman with me here from Servoy. Welcome aboard, sir.
Thank you very much.
Cloud Expo. Your first Cloud Expo, Peter?
Well, actually my second. So first on the West Coast, but I did Cloud New York in June this year.
This one a little bit bigger.
A little bit bigger, a little bit different attendees. So, but you know, still very, very good for us.
Rocking and rolling at the Servoy booth?
It is. A lot of traffic yesterday, so hopefully we're still doing that this morning.
Now let's just suspend our disbelief for a moment and think that perhaps someone doesn't yet know what Servoy does, Peter. It's a horrible thought, but perhaps they're watching this and their interest is peaked, so let's tell them.
Right. Well, it's a horrible thought, but actually it's a real thought. So we're a very well kept secret, yeah, and we do have to deal with it. So Servoy is we're a product vendor, and we have a development and deployment platform. So everything about building applications for the web, which you can also deploy on-premise as well from the same code base without changing it.
Handy. I should have thought that would get a whole string of people standing in line at any booth.
It certainly does when they actually realise what we do. Right. So
that's what we're here to sort out.
That's it. So our primary role here is to really spread the word. And so before you start thinking about deploying in the cloud, you've really got to build that application and make sure it's built well.
And what is the background of Servoy? Again, let's now imagine that we're dealing with someone who's never heard of it. What kind of a company? Where are you? What kind of size? Give us all that good stuff.
Yeah, all the good stuff. We are, we're actually corporately headquartered out of the Netherlands. You can probably tell by my accent I'm not native to the US, so a Brit accent, but I do live in California, which is where our US HQ is in the northern LA area.
But it's actually a Dutch company. I think I know that, and I think I may have forgotten that.
It is. It is actually a Dutch company. The two co-founders, both Dutch, are our respective CEO and CTO. Both based in the Netherlands. We've been going, this is our 10th year now. What other background? Yeah,
This is the first dalliance into the cloud. That's the thing. But we're basing it on a pyramid of prior activity. That's always good news.
That's right. So, and whether one could call it good judgment or luck, it's probably a combination of both. But the way our development platform is architected, it's very well geared towards exclusively cloud deployment and development, if you wish to do that.
Right. Well, let's imagine someone's following this interview and they're saying, "Well, I'm up for seeing what this is." I go to servoy.com. What am I going to see at servoy.com?
Probably rather too much information at the moment, so it's a nice problem to have. One of the things we're doing with the website is just streamlining it, because over those 10 years we've shouted and boasted about what we've been doing, and now it needs a sharp eye to navigate around it, shall we say.
So that's a work in progress. What's the most specific thing, if I came to the booth, you would show me?
Well, we would show you, our key thing is productivity. So we would show you how quick it is to firstly build and then deploy a cloud application that can expand and that has great performance. So productivity would be the one word I'd like you to take away.
If productivity of the cloud is what you seek, then Peter Chapman has the answer. Servoy, it's that simple, really.
It is indeed.
Thanks so much. Thanks for joining us here in Silicon Valley, Peter, and thank you for following this out there on the World Wide Web.